Hello, my dear friends. I hope that you are all healthy and wealthy. Health is wealth. I would like to show a rubric or a symptom in my radar diagnostic software. Here you see. Ear, nose is in. How many rubrics do you see? 330 rubrics are remedies are seen under this rubric. Once I had a patient who came to me for his diabetes mellitus. I prescribed lycopodium for him. After a month, in the first follow-up, he said that his tinnitus disappeared as well. So we can cure tinnitus with homeopathy. Thank you very much.